our verb goes at the end. And what it this relative to, it provides an additional information, it provides additional information a noun which is present about a noun which is present in your Hauptsatz. Okay, and we have relative pronouns for that, to make relative Satz, which are okay. So relative pronouns are nominative and accusative. Basically, dative and genitive relative is also there, but we study that in our B1, uh, which is same as of our bestimmt article table, but the meaning changes here. It is not the simple the, which is our this bestimmt article, but here this der and the stable relative means, if in English we have a relative as in who, that, or which, whom. Okay, for example, if I talk about in English, we say that that is my dog who is running. Yeah.
Okay.
So here, who is my relative? Okay.
Okay.
And this who is providing an additional information about a dog which is already present in a Hauptsatz. Yeah.
Okay.
Have our relatives these, der, das, didi, and den, das, didi. Okay.
Okay.
And for example, if I say, das ist meine Schwester, that is my sister. Now, forming relative, we use comma. Okay, this is my Hauptsatz. Okay, the main sentence.
Okay.
And after the Hauptsatz, I put a comma and then my relative starts. Okay, and after the comma, one of the relative pronoun of this table will come. Okay, which will be according to minus Schwester, because I will be providing an additional information of my sister.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will be das ist meine Schwester, die sehr schönest. Okay, so basically here this the is of nominative. Okay, this the.
Okay.
Okay, why nominative? Because whenever you are forming in relative, make sure to use the nominative relative first. Okay, and if there is no subject, instead of the, I don't have any subject present here, as in subject ish, do, er, is, like this. Okay.
Okay.
For example, if it is written, das ist meine Schwester, that is my sister, whom I find interesting, whom I find beautiful.
Hmm.
Yeah. So in this case, whom and then I is present, which is ish.
Okay.
Yes. So in this case, I would be using den d, this accusative d. Why? Because already ish is present in nominative case. Two
Okay.
nominative or two accusative or two dative cannot be present in a one sentence at a one time.
Okay.
Okay, so if there is already if there is already a nominative subject is present, so the relative pronoun will be in accusative as of now, and that accusative will depend on the verb.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for example, if I tell, this will be my accusative relative. Ich habe einen Hund. Okay.
Hmm.
Comma. Okay. Comma. Den. Ich lebe. Now here ish is already present as a nominative subject. As in, I have a dog whom I love.
Yes.
Yes, this means whom I love. Now already this ish is present as a nominative subject.
Yeah.
So my relative pronoun, which will be talking about my einen Hund, which will be an additional information of a dog. This relative pronoun cannot be in accusative, as in I cannot write here der ich liebe. No, it will be wrong.
Okay.
Okay, and this lieben is my accusative verb. Yeah, to love.
Yes.
So that's why, according to the verb, I have changed my der to den in accusative.
Okay.
And why I have changed? Because this ish is already in nominative.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now, more examples. Mm, okay. So in nominative, ich lese ein Buch. Das Buch ist sehr bekannt. Now, to forming a relative here, my Hauptsatz will be same as in ich lese ein Buch. It will
Hmm.
be same. After comma, what will be the relative pronoun here?
Das.
Yes, das sehr bekannt ist. Verb will go at the end because it forms my Nebensatz. Okay.
Okay.
And if I talk about an accusative, for example, ich trinke Kaffee, ich habe ihn gestern gekauft. My Hauptsatz will remain same. Ich trinke Kaffee. What will be the relative here? Relative pronoun. According to the coffee article is there.
The.
Yeah.
Then.
Yes, den. Okay. Den ish gestern gekauft. This why I have not written in because in is already talking about Kaffee.
Coffee.
Okay. Gestern gekauft habe. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So this will, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take or take this one screenshot.
Yeah.
And now
One. No, I haven't taken that. Can just come from the starting.
you have taken this one, the example.
No. Can you just come from starting?
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
1 minute.
Mhm.
Yeah. Can you just scroll down?
Now this example.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this one.
Yeah.
And this one. These are the examples.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
And this one, basically the relative with preposition. Just a small topic. Whenever your preposition is present in your name and Satz, you just write the preposition before your relative pronoun.
Okay.
Okay? Yes. And according to the preposition, your this relative will change. As in, if the preposition is an accusative, it will be an accusative. Mostly, you will get the accusative prepositions only.
Okay.
Yeah.